The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is a flagship smartphone from Google, expected to build on the Pixel series' reputation for high-quality cameras and pure Android experiences. It is anticipated to feature advanced processing power, an enhanced camera system, and a sleek design. With improvements in AI capabilities and software optimizations, it aims to deliver a top-tier user experience and innovative features in the competitive smartphone market. Advantages of Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. 1. Camera quality. Known for its exceptional photography capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to feature advanced camera technology with improved sensors and AI-driven enhancements for superior photo and video quality. 2. Pure Android experience. The device offers a clean, bloatware-free Android experience with timely updates and security patches directly from Google. 3. AI and machine learning. Enhanced AI features, such as real-time language translation and advanced photo editing, could provide a more intuitive user experience. 4. Build quality and design. High-quality materials and a premium design are expected, along with features like an OLED display and high refresh rates for a visually pleasing experience. 5. Integration with Google services. Seamless integration with Google's ecosystem, including Google Assistant and Google One, enhances productivity and convenience. Disadvantages of Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. 1. Price. As a flagship device, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to be on the pricier side, which may not be budget-friendly for everyone. 2. Limited customization. The stock Android experience might be less customizable compared to some other manufacturers' Android skins. 3. Battery life. While improvements are expected, flagship devices often struggle with battery life, especially with high-performance features and a high-resolution display. 4. Availability and carrier support. Depending on the region, availability might be limited, and carrier compatibility could vary. 5. Hardware constraints. Despite the advanced features, the Pixel series sometimes lags in hardware aspects compared to competitors, like high refresh rate displays or higher storage options.